Ahlan wa marhaban. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Ahmed Mohii and this is a new lesson of Mohii's Arabic Solutions. Let's start. Today we're going to know how to say the names of the alphabet of the Arabic. The names. Again, let's agree every letter has a name, a sound, and a shape. Today we only say the names of the alphabet of the Arabic using MSA. Okay, we're not having any dialect today, just MSA. Let's start. I want you to focus with my mouth, how it moves, with my tongue, and listen to the voice and repeat after me. I will be trying to go as slow as I can. Okay, let's start. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Tha, Tha, Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, Zain, Zain, Sin, Sin, Sheen, Sheen, Sad, Sad, Dad, Dad, Ta, Ta, Za, Za, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Fa, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Ha, Ha, Waw, Waw, Ya, Ya. Okay, this is it, my friends. I want you to focus with my voice, with my movement. I was pointing out my lips and my tongue, and I hope to see you soon. Wait for the future lessons. Next time, inshallah, we will go for the sounds of the alphabet. Only the sounds. And don't forget to subscribe and share and the like. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Shukran. Ma'a salama.